I just received my parcel from Ambrosia Systems. This right here is the world's first non-invasive, no needles, no patches, the smart ring called RIZZ. Let me show you everything that the box contains. This right here is the titanium magnetic charging stand. As you can see, this is the ring that I received. I have silver color, but you can also find it in rose gold, gold and black. It comes in different sizes, tailored just for your comfort. This is the USB-C type cable.
The quick start guide provides you with all the information required to get started. Find the Link Bluecon app on App Store or Play Store. Download to continue. Tap the square on the left top corner. Click ring connection to continue. Gently fix the ring on the stand. Do not apply force. You will hear a click when the ring sets in. Go ahead, you're all set.
Let me tell you why the ring is so special. It helps you capture and measure everything from your glucose, sleep, stress, heart rate, your HRV, activity count, oxygen levels, as well as your skin temperatures. Using RIZZ can be really beneficial for people in the health and fitness industry, for people who are struggling with handling pre-diabetes, and for those who want to keep an in-depth track of their nutrition and metabolic health.
So it's been a few hours I'm using RIZZ and I have my complete data right here. Let me share some with you.
I've got mine. Where's your RIZZ?
Ambrosia Systems.
Explore, learn, shop and buy now.